Far away, behind tall trees, a beautiful house held a bright feast. A chubby orange cat dressed in a neat green shirt watched from the shadows with wide eyes, dreaming of eating fish one day. The cat's family was simple, but the cat was hardworking. Every day, the cat walked on small paws to the riverbank, using a tiny net to catch fish alone. Sometimes it slipped and fell, but it never gave up. One day, the cat caught many fish and happily carried a basket on its back, calling out with joy. The cat's mother, a gentle grey cat wearing a soft blue dress, smiled warmly, proud of her hardworking child. Together, they prepare a simple but joyful meal, sharing the fruits of hard work and hope.